Do you think your joints can handle the wear and tear of aging? You might want to think again. If you don't want to be part of the 70% of all adults reporting joint pain, you must take action right now to safeguard your joints against aging. There are choices for you, from mastering what to do to mastering what not to do. Get on the prevention side, or there is zero chance your joints will survive the process of aging. Master your weight. The first thing you will need to master if you want your joints to survive the process of aging is managing your weight.
Weight affects your joints with gravity, pulls down too much across the joint surface.
Excess weight is a joint's worst enemy. Do you think your joints can handle the wear and tear of aging plus being overweight? You might want to think again. It's not just about how you look or feel, it's about the mechanical stress that extra pounds put on your body's most crucial part of your structure, your joints. For every extra pound you carry, your knees must handle about 4 to 6 pounds of pressure. Research shows that obesity can significantly increase the risk of developing osteoarthritis, the most common joint disorder, characterized by the breakdown of joint cartilage. According to a 2022 study, people who are obese are up to 5 times more likely to develop arthritis in their knees compared to those who maintain a healthy weight. This is not just about wear and tear. Excess fat also promotes inflammation in the body, which can further deteriorate joint health.
Pressure across the entire joint, pressure across the surface of the joint, pressure on the ligaments, the tendons, and the meniscus that are in between.
Even modest weight loss can have a profound positive effect on joint health. Studies show that losing just 10% of your body weight can relieve pressure and reduce pain and inflammation in the joints. More importantly, weight loss can slow the progression of osteoarthritis, giving you more years of active, pain-free mobility. Let's face it, dieting sucks. It's a constant battle against cravings and can feel downright restrictive. But here's the truth bomb you need to hear. If you're overweight, ignoring your weight is a guaranteed path to future joint pain. Don't despair though. The good news is you have options. Forget fad diets and unrealistic expectations. Find a sustainable approach that fits your lifestyle. Low carb, Mediterranean, vegan, even good old-fashioned portion control. It doesn't matter which plan you choose, as long as you burn more calories than you consume. Weight management is the first step to conquering joint pain. But there's more to the story. We will now reveal the second strategy you must master to keep your joints happy and healthy. Here's a hint. It involves getting your body moving. But wait, there's one more crucial element. This isn't just a two-step process. We'll come full circle when we reveal the third strategy you need to master for bulletproof joints. And it will all make sense when you see how these 3 strategies work together. Once you have all the tools in your arsenal, you'll be unstoppable. Master your moves. Move it or lose it. But listen, not all exercises are created equal when it comes to your joints. High-impact activities might provide a great workout, but they can also lead to injury and strain, especially on aging or vulnerable joints. Dr. Peter, a leading longevity researcher and author of Outlive, The Science and Art of Longevity, makes a compelling point. How can we ensure our physical capabilities, like tying our shoes, remain effortless as we age?
You know, if you had grandkids or great-grandkids and you couldn't play with them, or you couldn't tie your shoe, and yet when you would start to lose those things, I think you have a radically different view of, what am I doing?
Imagine visuals of people engaging in gentle yet effective activities. Walking through a lush park, swimming in a serene pool, biking along a scenic route, and practicing yoga in a tranquil studio. Here's why low-impact exercises are so great for your joints. For strengthening surrounding muscles around your joints, which helps to stabilize and protect them from wear and tear. And for enhancing flexibility. This improvement in flexibility helps maintain joint function and range of motion, which can decrease with age. These exercises represent a smarter way to stay fit without overburdening your joints. Low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, biking, and Pilates or yoga are particularly beneficial. They involve movements that don't put excessive stress on your joints. Even gardening can be amazingly beneficial exercise.
But I argue that gardening is probably much better than joining a gym, the best longevity exercise you could do.
Experts emphasize the value of low-impact exercises for everyone from athletes needing recovery to individuals with chronic pain. These exercises are not just about easing into fitness, they're also about maintaining long-term mobility. To get the most out of low-impact exercises, consider incorporating a variety of activities that target different parts of the body. Cardiovascular fitness. Use stationary bikes, treadmills, or swim for heart health without the hard hits of pavement pounding. Strength training. Engage in exercises like seated leg lifts, push-ups against a wall, or bodyweight squats to build muscle without straining joints. Flexibility and balance. Practice yoga or Pilates to enhance your body's flexibility and balance, essential for joint health. Physical therapist and osteoarthritis specialist Dr. Alyssa Kuhn recommends 4 exercises to prevent joint pain. Single leg squats,
Up and sit down. Trying anywhere between 5 to 10, and then switch to
Planks.
the shoulder benefit. I want you to think about pushing through your hands. And what you're
balance
going to
pass,
do is simply pass the weight back and forth. Now, I don't mean passing it like
and
if
lunges.
you experience discomfort or you just don't feel comfortable, maybe even they feel awkward. Odds are you have to work on single leg strength first. I'd focus on mastering that single leg squat and feeling really confident with that before.
For those who are more fitness savvy, blending low-impact workouts with your regular regimen to reduce the risk of injury is a smart choice. This strategy allows you to maintain intensity in your fitness journey while safeguarding your body. By integrating these exercises into your routine, you not only keep your joints safe, but also ensure a sustainable and effective fitness path. As you focus on strengthening the muscles around your joints and enhancing flexibility, you will also be helping yourself keep a healthier weight. And just like that, you're mastering the first 2 strategies, which will round up with the proper nutrition your joints need to survive aging. Master your nutrients. What you eat profoundly impacts your joint health and overall ability to fend off the effects of aging. Since your goal is avoiding joint pain for the years to come, learning about nutrient-dense foods has now become a must for you. Visualize a vibrant display of salmon, leafy greens like spinach, bright blueberries, crunchy flax seeds, and a warm bowl of oatmeal. These aren't just tasty, they're packed with nutrients crucial for keeping your joints in top shape. Each of these foods brings something special to the table. Essential nutrients to help your body age without inflammation, without joint pain. Salmon and other fatty fish friends are loaded with omega-3s, which are protective from inflammation. Plus, they're packed with protein to keep your muscles strong, helping take pressure off your joints alongside exercise, like we learned in the second strategy you must master. Vegetables, especially greens, bring to your joints important micronutrients, those superstar nutrients that fight inflammation from the inside out. And let's not forget the fruits. Berries are especially awesome because they are packed with vitamins and antioxidants, which are like tiny shields that protect your body from inflammation. While a balanced diet loaded with nutrients is crucial, supplements can offer targeted support. Fish oil supplements can further boost your omega-3 intake, while glucosamine supports cartilage health, the cushioning between your joints. Turmeric, with its superstar compound curcumin, offers a potent anti-inflammatory benefit. And for those seeking a protein boost to build strong muscles that support joints, protein powder supplements can be a convenient option. If you're interested in learning the best foods to eat for joint pain, you need to watch our video, Top 6 Natural Must-Eat Foods for Joint Pain. Stop aging.